Let me show you something unique today from Durvient. This is a magnetic puddle lamp, can be used in a car. It can also be doubled up as a door warning light. In this pack we have two lamps. This package contains a USB cable for charging and then a puddle lamp. The puddle lamp also has some accessory. So this is an infrared sensing sensor. This is a magnetic metal plate. There are two magnets behind it. In case the surface is not metallic, you can use this metal plate. In order to use this, we have to peel off this cover. For now, I'm not going to remove that. You can just press and hold the power button and it will turn on. It will always turn on to the light which you turn off originally. So for example, if I switch the color by pressing the power button again, there are 7-8 colors here. Let's say I am turning off on red. If I turn back on, it is going to resume on red. This puddle lamp has two sensors here. One is a proximity sensor, also an infrared sensor, and then there is a light sensor as well. So in case any object comes close, you will notice that the light turns off and it turns back on as well. So when your doors are locked closed, it's not going to drain the battery. Otherwise, you can also have a light which is coming sharply into it, say a daylight. Let me bring a different torch. Yeah, so for example, this one, if I point it towards the light, you will notice light turns off and turns back on as well. Once charged, this puddle lamp lasts for almost a month or so, depending on how often you use your car. You can switch colors by just pressing the power button, and turning off is also a breeze. You can just press and hold the power button and it will flash and turn off. Before application, you have to remove the sticker. Application is easy. Just push it on a metal portion. Ensure you have enough clearance in the door. If in case you are trying to use this as a warning light, then you need to push it on the sides of the door. Hope this video was useful. If yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more videos.